Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi tabi'in hudah, amma ba'd. We're taking inheritance now, inshallah. And inshallah, from now on, it will be easier. It's just practice, more practice, and we finished the fixed shares, so now, from now on, inshallah, it will be easier. I asked you to know the 25 heirs, to try to memorize them. 15 males and 10 females. This would be important. Down the road, you'll notice when you practice, you need to know who inherits and who does not. That's the objective of inheritance. So those 25, we only mentioned the fixed shares. Now we are going to divide them into 4 categories. Those 25 are divided into 4 categories. The first one, those who inherit with fixed share only. With fixed share only. And they are 12. We will take them one by one. Those who don't inherit with fixed share at all. Now when we say those who inherit with fixed share only, what does it mean? Someone who inherits with fixed share and you tell me he or she gets the remainder. That means what? You made a mistake. Someone who inherits only without a fixed share, which means he or she inherits what? The remainder. So when you give that person fixed share, you made a mistake. That's why it is good to know who inherits with fixed share only, who inherits without a fixed share only. So you know, it will be never fixed share. So whenever you give fixed share, that's a mistake. Those who inherit with both. Sometimes fixed share, sometimes without a fixed share. Sometimes with both. How with both? 1/6 plus remainder. This is only for 2 people. Father, grandfather. We'll talk about them. Then, those who inherit with fixed share, sometimes without a fixed share, but they don't combine them, like the father and the grandfather. No, they don't combine them. And those are 4 people. So, we have 7 inherit with fixed share only, 12 without a fixed share, 2 with and without and with both, and 4 with and without but without both. Okay, we'll take them one by one. So, the heirs with a fixed share. The mother. What is the fixed share of the mother? Do you remember? We never mentioned her in the 1/2. 1/3 or 1/6. That's it. What do we mean by that? Anytime you have a mother, you never give her 1/2. You give her 1/2, you made a mistake. You give her 1/8, you made a mistake. You give her 1/4, you made a mistake. You give her remainder, you made a mistake. 1/3 or 1/6. Okay? Brother from a mother. How much?
1/3.
Sharing 1/3 if more than one, or 1/6. Again, the same thing. Good. Sister from a mother. Just like the brother from a mother. Same thing. Grandmother. What's the share of the grandmother? 1/6. That's it. Anytime you say grandmother remainder, that's a mistake. The grandmother, again, why we put it twice? Why we put the grandmother twice? Because from the side of the father and from the side of the mother. The husband. The husband never gets remainder. Okay, that's why we say with fixed share. So it's good to know this categorization. That will help. And the wife. Those are the 7 heirs who inherit with fixed share only. The wife never gets remainder. Either 1/8 or 1/4. That's it. That's it. Next, heirs without a fixed share. They are 12. The son. The son never gets a fixed share. Anytime you say the son takes half, wrong. Fourth, wrong. Remainder, always. The son's son, the same thing. The full brother, same thing. No fixed share for the full brother. Brother from father. Full nephew. Number 5 is the son of number 3. Number 5 is the son of number 3. The nephew from the father. Number 6 is the son of number 4. Number 6 is the son of number 4. The full uncle, your father's brother, him and your father, they share both parents. They share both parents. The uncle from a father. Him and your father share only the father, but they have different mothers. Number 9, the full cousin. Number 9 is the son of number 7. The cousin from the father. Number 10 is the son of number 8. Then the male master. You see, all those 11 so far, they are what? Men. All of them are men. The only female here is female master who freed the slave. And in our time, we don't have number 11 and number 12. So, we have 7 inherit with fixed share only. 12 inherit without a fixed share only. Now we have 2 inherit, sometimes with fixed share, sometimes without a fixed share, and sometimes they combine. Who are those 2? Only the father and the father's father. So they have 3 cases. 1/6 only. When do the father and the grandfather inherit fixed share? What is the fixed share of the father? 1/6. When they get only 1/6, when there is male offspring. With the male offspring. Who's the male offspring? Son or son's son. So, think about it this way. You died, and you only have a son, and you have a father. You died, and you left a son and a father. How much your father gets? Only 1/6. What about your son? Takes the remainder. So the case is out of what? 6. 1 for the father, 5 to the son. You left a father and a mother. Both your parents are alive and you have a son. Your father gets what? 1/6 only. Your mother, also 1/6. I told you, the mother only 1/6 or 1/3. There is children, 1/6. So your father got 1/6. Your mother got 1/6. How about your son? The remainder. So the case again is out of 6. 1 for the father, 1 for the mother. Your son gets what? 4. Next case, they inherit without a fixed share once there is no offspring. If you die and you leave no children, your father or your father's father will always get what? Remainder. Like, you died, you did not have children. You left a mother and a father. Your mother will get what? No, there is no children. 1/3. And how much your father will get? remainder. So the case is out of 3. 1 to the mother, 2 to the father. Okay? When you have no children, the father gets what? Remainder. The father's father gets what? Remainder. That's the second case. The third case, they combine 1/6 plus the remainder when there is female offspring. Who's the female offspring? Daughter or son's daughter. Sister is not offspring, she is sibling. Here is a case. Write it down. Daughter, mother, father. Okay, so here is the case. How much the daughter gets? Very good, 1/2. The mother? 1/6. There is children, so 1/6. What about the father? If we say the rest, wrong. If we say 1/6 only, wrong. 1/6 plus the remainder. Why? There is female offspring. Okay. If we have a son, a mother, and a father, the mother will take what? Same thing, 1/6. What about the father? Only 1/6. Good. What about the son? So here the case is out of what? 6. 1. That is 6. Let's see this one. Have 1/6, 1/6. So the case is also out of what? 6. Half the 6 is what? 3. 1/6 is 1. 1/6 is also 1. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Is there anything left? Yes, so we give it. That's the difference. When we say 1/6, he only gets 1. But when we say 1/6 plus remainder, if there is any remainder, he gets it. See the difference? When do we give the father only the remainder? When we have no offspring. He gets the remainder only. So 3 cases. Do you have children? Yes. Okay, then which type? Males or females? Females. So you get 1/6 plus remainder. Males, just 1/6. You don't have children? Remainder. Okay? Let's practice those 2 cases. First one, let's start with this one. Mother, 2 daughters, and a father. A mother, 2 daughters, and a father. Who could solve it on the board? Who's brave on the board? On the board. Bismillah. Don't worry, it's not the end of the world. Who wants to come? Bismillah. MashaAllah. Jazakallah khair. Go ahead. Mother, 2 daughters, and a father. Okay.
Mother gets 1/6.
1/6. Very good. We have children, so she gets 1/6.
The 2 daughters get 2/3.
2/3. Good.
The father gets 1/6 plus remainder.
Very good. Very good. MashaAllah. Okay, so the case is out of what?
The case out of 6.
6.
So the mother gets 1.
1,
4.
4,
1 last. 6. No more remainder. My math is wrong.
No remainder.
One. There's no remainder. There's no remainder.
Okay. Very good. Alhamdulillah. Very good. That's the case. The rule of the remainder is what? If there is anything left, we give it to you. Nothing left, we don't give it to you. So here in this case, was there anything left? No. So that's it. So in this case, there was nothing left. So that's it. 1 for the mother, 4 to the 2 daughters, and 1 to the father. But from the beginning, if we said the father gets only 1/6, that's wrong. Even though eventually it will be the same result. But you don't say he gets the remainder or only 1/6. 1/6 plus remainder, because here there was a remainder and we gave it to him. There was no remainder, so we didn't give it to him. Very good. Okay. Next. Who wants to come next? Now from the brothers. Who wants to come? Grandmother, 2 sons' daughter, and father's father. Okay, how about Brother Jamil? Yeah, try it. It's okay. Try it. I'll tell you. Write on the board and Bismillah. Wipe the case. Yeah, take a pen. Yeah, this one should do. Watch and listen. Watch and listen. Grandmother. When it is saying grandmother, it didn't specify. Anyone is fine, whether she is mother's mother or father's mother. 2 sons' daughters. 2 sons' daughters. 2 sons' daughters. Yes. And grandfather. Also, when it is saying only grandfather, we assume it is the father's father, because the mother's father does not inherit. Very good. So the grandmother, what's her share? Could you listen, please? I'm asking him. If you want to answer, you can come to the board. The grandmother, what's her share? 1/6. Grandmother, she has only 1 share, 1/6. Good. What about the 2 sons' daughters? Are they included in the plus remainder? Plus remainder is only for 2. Father and father's father. Only. So the 2 sons' daughters, what do they get? Okay. Don't ask me, answer. The grandfather, the father's father, what's his share? The father's father. What do you think? Please listen. Please. What do you think? 1/6. Okay. What did we say about the father's father? He is just like the father.
It's a remainder. Plus remainder.
1/6 plus remainder. Just like the father. Is there offspring? Yes. What offspring? Male, so only remainder. Only 1/6, I'm sorry. Female, 1/6 plus remainder. No offspring, remainder. Okay, so the case is out of what? 6. Okay. 1. 4, good. 1. No plus? There isn't anything left. So that's it. It's exactly the previous case. Just different heirs. It's exactly the same as the previous case. The one that you wiped. Okay, Jazakallah khair. Good. You see how easy it is? So in this case, if the deceased left 60,000 ringgit, the grandmother will take how much? 10,000. And the grandfather, 10,000. And the two sons' daughters, each one 20,000. That's it. Okay. Heirs with a fixed share sometimes and without a fixed share sometimes. But they never combine them. So I want you to tell me who they are. Who's left now from the 25? We mentioned 7 and 12. That is how many? 7 plus 12? 19. And then 2, that is how much? 21. How much is left? 4. Who they are? Who are the 4 that inherit with fixed share sometimes, sometimes without a fixed share, but they never combine? Both. Who are the 4 that we didn't mention them? Son? We mentioned the son. He's the first one in the 12 heirs. Who are the 4? You should know them quickly. Wife, mentioned her. Wife, only fixed share. See, that's why when you memorize them, it will be easy to tell. Full sister, very good, that's one of them. Full sister. Who else? Sister from a mother, we mentioned her. Full sister, very good. Who else? 3 left. Who else? Very good, sister from a father. No, we mentioned the sister from a mother. We already mentioned her. She inherits only fixed share. Either 1/6 or she shares 1/3. Who else? Full sister and sister from a father. 2 left. Who are they? No, we mentioned them. Cousins mentioned them. You're not looking at what we wrote. Niece is not one of the 25.
The daughter is not there.
Yeah, the daughter. Did we mention the daughter? So that's the daughter. 1 left, 1 more. The son's daughter. That's the last one. Daughter, son's daughter, full sister, sister from a father. When do they inherit fixed share? When their brother is not there. The full sister, what is her share? She shares 2/3, if more than 1. But if she is 1, 1/2. 1/2. So that's fixed share. When she inherits without a fixed share? When she has her brother. If we have full brother and full sister, will the full sister take a fixed share? No, it will be 2 to 1. لِلذَّكَرِ مِثْلُ حَظِّ الْأُنْثَيْنِ. So the daughter and the son's daughter, the full sister and the sister from a father, if they are alone, they take fixed share. If they have their brother, it will be what? 2 to 1. That's it. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Who did not come on the board? We need 3 people now. 3 people. 1 from the brothers and 2 from the sisters. So one of the sisters, please come forward. It's good to practice, don't worry. One of the sisters. Who wants to come? Who do you vote for? Sisters, who do you want to come? She's sick.
Yes, thank you.
So that will help you.
You are going to be most.
Come on, sisters. One of you, who wants to come? If nobody, I will nominate one. Quickly. Bismillah, it's okay. It's good practice. Don't worry. I'll count to 3. If nobody came, I will just mention a name. 1, 2, 2.5. Come on. Nobody wants to come? MashaAllah. See, she's sick and she's coming. Jazakallah khair. It's okay. What will happen? It's just a practice. So, I forgot. Please take a pen. So, the first case, mother, daughter, and a father. A mother, a daughter, and a father. So the mother gets 1/6. MashaAllah, very good. Okay, the father gets, MashaAllah, see, very good. And the daughter gets, okay, divide the shares. Now the case is out of 6, 1, 3. See, was it difficult? MashaAllah, very good. Actually, we already took it. It was there on the board. Okay, now another case. Who wants to come? Okay, from the brother's side. It's too easy, one of you. So, who wants to come? Bismillah, let's try. Go ahead. Try. Two daughters, sister from a mother, grandmother, and uncle. Uncle, yes. Father's brother, yes. 4 heirs. Okay. So let's see. 2 daughters. Yeah, what do they get? Sister from the mother.
Grandmother.
Uncle, yes. 2 daughters, what do they get? Please listen, watch and listen. 2 daughters, what do they get? Grandmother and uncle. Okay. Sister from a mother. What are these papers that you're looking at? Okay. Who made it? You made that? Okay, go ahead. The grandmother. Grandmother should be the easiest one. Please listen. Yeah, grandmother. Yes, the grandmother. Grandmother has only 1 share. Okay. Okay. The uncle, father's brother. the uncle.
Different level. Uncle and grandmother.
No, don't relate one to another. Uncle, we just mentioned him. In what category? Try to remember. It's okay, write anything, but just finish the case.
Okay.
Write anything.
Okay, once. So let's see.
All right. Why from 21? No, it's from 6. That's the common denominator. Whenever we have a fixed share, so it is out of 6. Yeah, just press on it. Okay. 4, okay. 5, 6, 7. Yeah, tell him. Uncle. Did we mention the uncle in the 1/6 category? No. Uncle gets the remainder. He doesn't inherit fixed share, so it is the remainder. So is there anything left? 0. 0. Okay. Thank you. So, what do you think? Is it correct? No. It's not correct. It is not correct. Why? Why? The shares, yes, that's how they should be. But the sister from a mother, if there is offspring, male or female, they are deprived. They don't inherit. Look at the conditions. The female sibling from the side of the mother, brother from a mother or sister from a mother, if there is offspring or male parent, they are deprived. So actually, 4 plus 0, 4 plus 1, 5. Is there anything left? 1. That's the correct answer. Okay? But it's good. See, it's close. Okay, last case. Who's our hero? From the sisters now. Quickly, who wants to come? There are 2 candidates. They both have the L letter in their name. So who wants to come? MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Good. Alhamdulillah. Okay. Please take a pen. Yeah, don't take the black. The blue is good, yes. Wife, grandmother, daughter, sister from father. Wife, grandmother, daughter, sister from father. The wife, how much she gets? Don't look at them, don't tell her. The wife, you should know. You are a wife or no? Are you a wife or no? You should know how much you take from your husband. You get either 1/4 or 1/8. We never mention the wife in the 1/6. Never. Either one. Wait, listen. Please listen. Don't say anything. How much you give her? I'm asking her. 1/8. Why? You don't just pick and choose. It's either 1/8 or 1/4. How much you give her? You know, go ahead. Just answer. I don't want to stress you. Just put down. Yeah, very good. Go ahead. Good. No, sister from the father. How son's father? That would be your husband. First, the case is out of what? When you put this, not always in 6. Look at the common denominator. You have 8 and 6. 8, how you put it under 6? Huh? Don't ask them. You listen to women, they misguide you.
Dah.
24.
Tiga. Cuma kali 4 dah umpat baginda berapa?
How about you come and answer? Leave her. How did you get the 3? You divide 24 by 8, that's 3. Times 1, that's 3. So it is 3. Divide 24 by 6. 4. Half the 24. La ilaha illallah, leave her. Half the 24. You have 24 ringgit. Half of them. It's okay. Don't worry. Relax. What is the share? What is the share of the daughter? Very good. MashaAllah. Okay. La ilaha illallah. Leave her. Okay, you finished? Add up the numbers. 5 plus 12 plus 4 plus 3. Are they 24? Correct. Very good. That's how you do it. Okay, let's see. Thank you. Was it difficult? Okay, the wife gets what? 1/8. Why? We have a daughter. Because of the daughter. The grandmother, only 1 share. 1/6. There is a mother, she doesn't get. There is no mother, she gets 1/6. The daughter, 1/2. The sister from the father, how much she gets? Why? This is very good. It is correct. But I want you to know why. Here is the issue. Whenever we have female children, who are the female children? Daughter, son's daughter. Whenever we have female children, the female siblings get the remainder. What if instead of the daughter, the same case, instead of the daughter, we have son? Then she doesn't get anything. And the son gets what? The remainder. So instead of 12, it becomes 17. Okay? So remember this rule. It will come with us a lot. When we have female children, the female siblings get what? The remainder. With the exception of what? Sister and brother from the mother. They always get fixed share. There is children, they don't get anything. So if we have full sister, the same thing. She gets the remainder if there is a daughter. Son's daughter, full sister, same thing. She gets the remainder. So very good. Actually, you answered it correctly. With the help of the entire group. But that's good. You see, Alhamdulillah, now you just need more practice and that's it. Everything will be fine.